Class 11 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COHSEM Manipur. Unit 5 Mathematics and Reasoning. Topic Mathematics and Reasoning. Subtopic Validating statement involving connecting words. Checking the truth of a statement by method of contradiction. Exercise 14.5. Validating statements. Validating statement implies finding when a statement is true. Statement ama chumbra lambra puthokpani. Validating statement haibadi. Validating. Rule 1. Statement with end. Connecting what end yauba statement amagi achumara lepnabagi damaktadi rule 1 da. Case 1 the show that P is true and case 2 the show that Q is true. Animak chumi haina utpangam labadi statement adu compound statement adu completely chumani. Rule 2 statement with or compound statement with or yauba sentence amagi truth value leke hairagadi case 1 da by assuming P is false so that Q must be true. P do false ne haina lauraga Q adu chumi utlu adu orabadi compound statement adu or na taisanaba compound statement adu true ni magi value. Or by assuming Q is false Q do false ne haina lauraba so that P must be true. P do chumi haina utlu adu orabadi compound statement adu truth value adu true ni. Statement with if then yauba sentence ama connecting word compound statement amagi truth value do true ni hairabadi. Case 1 da by assuming that P is true prove that Q must be true. P chumi haina lauraga Q chumi haina prove to adu orabadi compound statement adugi truth value asi true ni. Or case 2 da by assuming that Q is true prove that P is false. Q do true ni haina laga P adu chumi lali haina utlu asumna utpangam labadi if then haba compound statement adugi truth value si true ni. Rule 4. Statement if and only if. Compound statements connecting word is if and only if the truth value the case 1 if P is true then Q is true. P sumi haina lauraga Q sumi utlabadi compound statement adu truth value si true ni. Or case 2 da if Q is true then P is true. Q sumi haina lauraga P sumi haina utpangam labadi compound statement adu truth value si true ni. Hariba rule mari si hangjin gadabani. Method of contradiction. We assume that P is not true, that is not P is true. Hanegi statement P adu chumba statement adu chumde hane loksalani not P is true. Aranba adu bu chumi hane loksalani. Then we arrive at some result which contradicts the assumption. Aikone loksan khibadugi ona tainaba amma phanga kani. Therefore, we conclude that P is true. Statement hanegi P ado chumi hane lauran. Ona tainaba ama phanga ibado achumba statement dubu lale hane loksilu bagi ona tainaba result ama phanga pani adu orabadi hanegi statement ado originally do true ni. Non-validity of statement by counter example. Chanaba yadaba ado statement counter example khudam ama piraga chanaba yadi habadu utpayai. We show by giving a counter example that the statement is not valid. Statement ase matam punamukta chumde habadu example ama pibiyai. Haibadi non-metal sing asi good conductor of bad conductor of electricity ni adubu koina graphite habasi good conductor of electricity oi asumna counter example pibiyai. Exercise 14.5. Question 1. Show that the statement P, if x is a real number such that x cubed plus 4x is 0, then x is 0, is true by direct method, method of contradiction, method of contrapositive. Hariba techniques in a statement P asi sumi utkadaribani. Statement P asi compound statement connecting what adudi if then gidi kone rule direct method tadi husikaram na proof to godagi yengsi. Here the given statement is P. If x is a real number such that x cubed plus 4x equal to 0, then x is 0. Sina api statement aduni. Masi koi direct method to prove to let Q represent x is a real number such that x cubed plus 4x equal to 0, and R such statement R is such that x is 0 hariba compound statement asi component statement q amaso r da kona suppose tore direct method to prove toksi to show p is true statement api bi statement compound statement si chumi utkadari bani assume q is true q asi la q asi chumi hane loksil asi ahan bi statement asi chumi hane loksil asi then show that r is true r asi chumi ulu adurabadi p asi chumi haigadari the statement Q be true. Statement Q assist to me hanelokshile. We have to show that statement R is true. That is Q must be true. How the x cube plus 4x equal to 0 tie have assist to me hanelokshile. Factorize the direct method na koi hana ke technique to na the x to solve the body first factor may be 0 or second factor may be 0. This gives x equal to 0. X square plus 4 is 0. Ma never 0 ni both sides to koi never ni ma ki 0. Kaya dong 0 ka mana bayadi. The result utopia ba ni stick amal local le which is what x equals 0 is what r is true r is to me have any q to me hane lauraga r is to me ule adura badi p is true therefore the given statement that is p is true that method of contradiction ke technique season asti to solve statement p to be true by contradiction we assume that p is not true statement P asi kan method of contradiction na chumi utkadari bani madugi damakta di P haba api bi statement asi ne pirami basi lal hene loksolasi that is P is false or P is not true. Let x be a real number such that x cube plus 4x equal to 0 and let x is not 0. X haba real number asi na quadratic equation si cubic equation chumale and x is not 0 x is 0 natabani hane loksolasi. Then 0 natrabadi x is not 0. Therefore, x cube plus 4x equal to 0. That is factorized over the ship hangani x equal to 0 or x square equal to minus 4. However, x is real. Adu x as the real ni. Adu therefore x equal to 0. Madam the x square na minus 4 taba is real number na negative taba have real number square na negative taba so itokte adu na x na 0 is sikatang laukat kani. X na ikona kari hare x is 0 ga mana kidi high bani 0 ga mana kidi high number do hogi 0 ahana condition is chume hane loksilu bada x is 0 ga mana re ahana loksing ki ba x is not 0 siga x is 0 siga ani se tayona rabani na contradict rabani na which is a contradiction since we have assumed that x is not 0 masi contradiction tore ikon x is 0 nati high ki bani thus the given statement p is true pyramid statement na do chummi have it ulle method of contrapositive to prove statement P to be true by contrapositive method. Api statement P assist to me contrapositive method to me utnanabagi damaktadi we assume that R is false and prove that Q must be false. R is false ne hane lokshellaba and prove that Q must be false. Q is false ne hane utlabadi. Akoina P assist to me utkane. R is false. That is R is false implies that it is not to consider the negation of his statement R. This obtains the following statement. Not R, that x is not 0. X is not 0. We have seen that x square plus 4 will always be positive. X square is not 0. 0 natre. The square plus 4 is the will be always positive. The product of any positive real number x square plus 4 with x does not equal to 0 is not 0. 0 nataba positive real number amaga 0 nataba masing amaga purinaba is not 0 0 tade. Therefore, this does not equal to 0 and x cube plus 4x does not equal to 0. This shows that the statement Q is not true. Statement Q is not true. Statement is false. Q is false. Q must be false. Q is false. Thus, it has been proved that not Q implies not Q. Not R implies not Q. Therefore, the given statement P is true. Question number 2. Show that the statement for any real number a and b, a square equal to b square implies that a equal to b is not true by giving a counter example. A amasu b have a real number anina mabani square single mana rabadi mabani mana gani haibasi not true matampuna makta chumde give by giving a counter example kudam pu haibani. The given statement can be written in the form if then as follows. If then sisinaraga piribi statement ase assume iba yai. If a and b are real numbers such that a square equal to b square, then a equal to b. Let p denotes a plus a and b are real numbers such that a square equal to b square. Ahanba component statement is ahanba component statement adu p na khanarasi, and q denotes the statement a equal to b asibu khanarasi. The given statement has to be proved false. Pyramid statement asi false ni hain utkadoribani. For this purpose, it has to be proved that if P, then not Q. Hybrid madu unenabagi damaktadi statement asi false na hain utkadabani madu ki damaktadi P asi chumi hain loksilaga Q asi chumde hain ulagalore. To show this, two real numbers a and b with a square equal to b square are equal such that a does not equal to b. A ga b ga manadaba number anina a square plus b square chumi utkadabani. Let a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 1 number anisi manadre. And then a square is 1 square equal to 1 and b square is minus 1 square equal to 1. Anisi 1 anisi manarabani a square b square manare. But a ga b ga di 1 ga minus 1 di manadabani na manadre. Am statement chumaga anisu statement du lali hen utpangamle. Thus, it can be concluded that the given statement is false. P statement is false. 3. So that the following statement is true by the method of contrapositive. Makhagi compound statement as the method of contrapositive na chumi utlu. Statement do di P na khangnare if x is an integer and x square is even, then x is also even. X as integer ni mahak square ni even ore x the soidana x asisu even oigani have statement asini. If here P is that if x is an integer and x square is even, then x is also even. Hariba given statement na doni. Anitona tukairasi component statement single let Q denotes the component statement x is an integer and x square is even. And R denotes the component statement that is x is even. To prove that P is true by contrapositive method, we assume that R is false and prove that Q is also false. Method of contradiction na masi prove toge high contrapositive na prove toge higher badi R statement na sige false to chumena lauraga Q statement na si false na prove toge dabani. Let x be not even. X asi even ni masi negative the x is not be even ni. To prove Q is false, Q is false ni high gadorimi. It has to be proved that x is not even integer. It has to be proved that x is not even integer. X even number not then whose square is not even, and therefore statement Q is false. Statement Q is false or statement Q is karina. Statement Q is x square is even high kibani. The x square is even order. The statement Q is false or. Thus, the given statement P is true. Statement P, pyramid compound statement is true. Number 4. By giving a counterexample so that the following statements are not true. Makhagi statement singa say counterexample piraga chumdi ulu statement na dudi pina khanare. If all the angles of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Triangle amagi angle pumnamak manarabadi triangle to obtuse angle triangle ni have statement P ase lali not true chumde ulu haibani counterexample piraga. The given statement is of the form if Q then R. Statement is one itopiai. Q denotes all the angles of a triangle are equal. R na the triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Have a component component statement singdo Q R na mathang china khangnare. The given statement P has to be proved false. Pyramid statement P as a false ni haigadoribani. For this purpose, it has to be proved that if Q then not R. Have a proof toraga yarani. To show these angles of a triangle are equal such that the none of them is an obtuse angle. Makoi angle pumnamo ama angle amataba obtuse angle oide hane laurasi. It is known that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle pumnamaki triangle amagi angle pumnamaki samadu 180 ne habasimadi koi khangle. Therefore, if all the three angles are equal, then each of them is not measure 60 degree. Angle ahumak manaraba makoi kudingmak 60 ga manaroi, which is not an obtuse angle. Masi obtuse angle nati 60 degree have obtuse angle nati. In an equilateral triangle, the measure of all angles are equal. Equilateral triangle amadi angle pumnamaki magnitude asi equal manai. However, the triangle is not an obtuse angle triangle. Triangle asi the obtuse angle triangle nati. Thus, it can be concluded that the given statement is false. P statement is false oire. The given Roman number 2. The given statement is as follows. A previous statement is assumed itopia. Q denotes the given. The equation x square minus 1 equal to 0 does not have a root lying between 0 and 2. Quadratic equation asigi root anido 0 amasung 2 gi marakta root amata leite hai statement asini. This statement has to be proved false. Statement is false to when lan gadori prove to to this to sort this a counter example is required. Masigi the maktari counter example mathok tai. Consider x square minus 1 equal to 0 khanadasi. Solve to the s value plus minus 1 phange. 1 root of x square minus 1 equal to 0, that is the root x equal to 1 lies between 0 and 1. 0 also 1 ge marakta lere root anisi manungda ama 1 di 0 ga 1 marakta lere. Thus the given statement is false. Haibadi 0 also 1 ge marakta makoi gi root amata leite hai khibani hoji 1 leram labanina pirami statement si lale habadu x value 1 larko matam statement si lale habadu ulle. 5. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Karambana lali karambana chumbage. In each case, give a valid reason for saying so. Assume na haibigi maram zanaba yaba casing the kudam maram piramu. P. Wanda. Statement P. For each radius of a circle is a chord of the circle. Circle namagi radius kudumak se circle ge chord amani have statement se chumbra lanbra. Statement se false ni. As chord should intersect the circle at two distinct points. Chord is circle na do two manadaba point ani the kakkadabane. 2. The center of a circle bisects is chord of the circle. Circle namagi center na sa chord khudingmakpu bisect awi lali. If the chord is not the diameter of the circle, chord aduna circle gi diameter oidrabadi, then the center will not bisect that chord center aduna chord adubu bisect oroi. 3. R. Circle is a particular case of an ellipse. Circle is a ellipse ki particular case samani. It is true because x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 implies it b do a sindokra body we get x square plus y square equal to a square. If a equal to b, this is the equation of circle. For Roman number 4, S. If x and y are integers such that x is greater than y and minus x is less than minus y. Statement is lambda true as x less than y minus the both sides to the minus x greater than minus y. Statement asi minus x na minus y degi sawi. As x na less than y degi pa. Y na x degi pick labadi. Y na x degi pick labadi. Y na x degi pick labadi. If this is y is y less than x minus the purity minus x is greater than minus y. Minus x is less than minus y. Minus x is less than minus y. 5. D. Root over 11 is a rational number. False, which is an irrational number. Thank you for watching video.